What if I told you that in 60 seconds you could take years off your look without surgery, without needles, and without spending a single dollar more than you already do? That tiny eyeliner sitting in your makeup bag right now holds more transformative power than most beautiful black women over 60 have ever been taught to use. Welcome to Ageless Black Queens, the only channel delivering specific, honest beauty truth for beautiful black women over 50 before anyone else is willing to have the conversation. Subscribe right now. Let us get into it. Drop a comment right now and tell me whether eyeliner is currently your friend or your frustration, because I genuinely want to know exactly where you are starting from. Trick number 10. Tightlining the upper waterline. If you want your eyes to look instantly more awake and youthful without any dramatic or overdone effect, tightlining is your secret weapon. It means applying eyeliner right along the upper waterline just beneath your lashes, not to create a visible line, but to create the illusion of fuller, denser lashes and soft definition. For mature eyes where lids may be hooded or the lash line has thinned over time, this technique is transformative. Use a waterproof pencil in soft black, deep espresso, or rich plum. Gently lift your lid and wiggle the pencil between the lashes from underneath. The result is a lifted, refreshed look that brings your eyes back to life without looking overdone. Because at 60 and beyond, the goal is not more makeup. It is the right makeup used the right way. This trick whispers elegance. It does not shout it. Trick number 9. Use a soft pencil rather than liquid liner. Liquid liners can be too severe on mature eyes. They demand precision, highlight every texture on the eyelid, and can easily make eyes look smaller or more tired when not applied with absolute perfection. The solution is a soft, creamy pencil liner. It glides on effortlessly with no tugging and no skipping. And it gives you the ability to smudge, soften, and blend, which creates a more lifted and natural effect. Choose shades like deep brown, charcoal, navy, or plum. Line the top lash line close to the lashes, then gently smudge the line upward with a small brush or your fingertip. It lifts the eye subtly and beautifully, almost like a soft shadow rather than a hard line. Because at this stage, we are creating timeless elegance. And sometimes that starts with trading the sharp liquid pen for a pencil that knows how to whisper. Hit that like button right now if this is already giving you something no other beauty channel has been saying clearly enough for beautiful black women over 60. Trick number 8. Do not line the whole eye. Focus on the outer third. Lining all the way around the eye, top and bottom, inner corner to outer corner, actually makes the eyes look smaller and more closed off rather than open and youthful. What works better and looks instantly more refreshed is focusing your liner just on the outer third of the eye. This technique lifts and elongates the eye shape, creating a more open, elegant look that feels fresh without any effort. Start at the outer corner of the top lash line and draw inward about 1/3 of the way. Keep the line soft and blend it slightly upward. If you like lining the bottom lashes, keep it light and only touch the outer edge. Just a whisper of definition. By not outlining the entire eye, you give your eyes room to shine. Because sophistication is never about doing the most. Trick number 7. Use soft brown or deep plum instead of black. A slate gray looks refined and modern without overpowering the rest of your look. These tones blend beautifully. Smudge them softly for a romantic finish, or keep the line clean for a quiet whisper of definition. Either way, they add that polished touch without demanding attention. Because elegance after 60 is about subtle confidence. Swap the bold black pencil for something softer and watch how your entire look lifts and transforms. Drop a comment right now and tell me, are you currently a black liner woman or have you already made the switch? Trick number 6. Highlight the inner corners and the lower waterline. As we age, we sometimes lose that wide-eyed freshness we used to wake up with. But with a tiny touch of brightness in the right places, we can bring it right back. Apply a soft champagne or pearly beige eyeshadow to the inner corners of your eyes. Just a gentle shimmer rather than anything heavy or glittery. This instantly catches the light, opens the eyes, and gives that "I just had 8 hours of sleep" kind of glow. Then for the lower waterline, instead of lining it with a dark pencil which makes the eyes look smaller and heavier, try a nude or soft peach eyeliner. It quietly cancels out redness and gives the illusion of larger, more youthful eyes. This two-step combination makes your entire face look more awake, lifted, and luminous without looking like you are wearing much at all. Trick number 5. Skip the harsh bottom liner. A thick or dark bottom liner can weigh the eye down, emphasize fine lines, and make eyes appear smaller or tired, especially if you have hooded lids, puffiness, or a downward tilt at the outer corners. What works instead is a soft brown or taupe eyeshadow just on the outer third of your lower lash line, kept close to the lashes and gently smudged for a whisper of definition. For extra lift, add a tiny amount of shimmer or light reflective shadow to the center of your lower lash line. It reflects light, draws attention away from darkness, and gives a subtly lifted look that makes people say you look so rested without knowing exactly why. Because elegance with eye makeup often lives in what you leave out. Subscribe to Ageless Black Queens right now if you are not yet part of this community. Every single week, we are first with this level of specific beauty truth for beautiful Black women who deserve better than generic advice. Trick number 4. Master the subtle flick for an instant eye lift. You do not need a dramatic cat eye to create a lifted, youthful look. A heavy wing on mature eyes can look too harsh and actually drag the eye downward if placed incorrectly. The specific correction is a soft, strategic flick placed with complete intention. Line your upper lash line with a soft brown or charcoal pencil, thickening it gently as you move outward. At the outer corner, flick the line upward rather than following the natural downward drift, directing it toward the end of your brow. Keep the flick short and upward, almost like a tiny eyelash rather than a dramatic wing. Then smudge the edge to remove any harshness. No hard points, no drama, just a graceful, elegant lift. Add a touch of highlighting shadow just above the flick on the brow bone to amplify the effect beautifully, because the most flattering makeup after 60 lifts quietly. It never shouts. Trick number 3. Use tightlining to define without crowding the lid. If traditional eyeliner tends to make your eyes look smaller or feels like it takes up the little lid space you have, tightlining the upper waterline is about to become your most relied upon technique. Tightlining gives your lashes a thicker, fuller look without taking up any real estate on the eyelid. For mature eyes, especially hooded lids, this means definition without crowding or harshness. Use a waterproof soft gel or pencil liner in deep brown, black, or charcoal. Gently lift your lid and dot or sweep the liner right onto the upper waterline. Blink a few times and press the lash line lightly with a cotton swab to set it. The result is a fuller lash base and naturally defined eyes that look like you were simply born with them. No harsh line, no smudging above the crease. Just clean, elegant enhancement that looks like you, only significantly more awake. Because after 60, the goal is smarter makeup. Trick number 2. A gentle wing done right is an instant eye lift. Wing liner lifts the eye, and that is true, but only when done correctly for mature, beautiful black eyes. A sharp, dramatic wing can look too harsh and actually drag the eye downward on hooded or downturned eye shapes. The specific correction is a soft, subtle wing that starts where your lid ends rather than where it folds. Line just the outer third of your upper lash line with a soft pencil or gel liner. Then gently flick the line upward rather than outward at a slight diagonal that follows the natural lift of your lower lash line. Think lift, not length. Then smudge it to blur the edge completely. No harshness, no crisp angles, just a soft, smoky lift that gives the illusion of brighter, more open eyes. For daytime use, a slightly lighter tone like charcoal, plum, or soft espresso. This kind of wing whispers elegance, because after 60, it is about finding the specific tweaks that quietly and permanently elevate your look. Tell me in the comments which of these tricks has surprised you the most so far. Trick number 1. Line the upper waterline only for invisible definition. Sometimes the most powerful beauty techniques are the ones that are completely invisible, and this is the most powerful trick in this entire video. If you have ever lined your lower waterline thinking it would define your eyes only to notice it made them look smaller or more tired, you are not alone. That technique often produces the exact opposite of the intended effect on mature eyes. The specific correction is tightlining the upper waterline only. Apply eyeliner gently to the inner rim of your top lash line right underneath your lashes. It does not look like you are wearing eyeliner at all, but the effect is stunning. Your lashes instantly look thicker, your eyes look more awake, your eye shape becomes more lifted and defined without a single visible line. This technique is especially flattering for hooded or smaller eyes because it gives structure without taking up any lid space. Use a waterproof pencil in soft black, deep brown, or slate gray. Gently lift your lid and wiggle the pencil right at the roots of your lashes. Practice it twice and you will never go back. Because sometimes the most graceful moves are the ones no one sees coming. 10 tricks. 10 specific eyeliner techniques that Ageless Black Queens is delivering to beautiful black women over 50 before any other channel is framing them with this level of honesty and this level of specificity. Eyeliner after 60 is not about lining your eyes. It is about framing your confidence, about looking in the mirror and seeing the woman you have spent 6 decades becoming, and making absolutely sure the world sees her too. Tell me in the comments which of these 10 tricks you are trying first. Hit that like button, share this with a beautiful black woman in your life who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Ageless Black Queens if you are not already part of this family. We were here first. We will always be here first. See you in the next one, Queen.